Hello, my name is Matthew, and I have the privilege of being paid by Ericsson to make the world a better place through open source, and for that I am grateful. Today, I would like to discuss how you can get some data out of Trace Compass and into other software, be it LibreOffice Calc or Excel. So, to do so, all you have to do is find some data in your text that you want to get. Then you right-click and click Copy to Clipboard, and then paste. But that maybe is not exactly what you want, so let's try something different. I'll first delete this row, this data. Now, let's try sorting, or filtering. I'm going to just filter for everything with IRQ. And here, let's say we're going to filter on sound. So now you only have your IRQ handlers for sound. So you copy to clipboard, you paste, and look at that, it's only sound. Now let's say that you want to share it with someone. I'm not going to cancel yet. At this point, what you can do is just export to text. And let's just save this as, we're going to call it IRQ sound. And then we open Matthew, work, Trace Compass, IRQ sound, and your data is here also. So when you export, do remember that you are exporting a view of your table. So if your table has filters, you're only exporting what is filtered. Thank you. I hope this helps you out.